Welcome to our training session on Amazon Control Tower, a comprehensive solution for managing a secure and compliant multi-account AWS environment. This session will delve into the uses, benefits, and key features of Amazon Control Tower, providing insights into how it can enhance your AWS management experience. What is Amazon Control Tower? Amazon Control Tower is an AWS service designed to simplify the setup, governance, and management of your AWS environment. It leverages multiple AWS services to orchestrate a secure, compliant, and efficient multi-account environment. Key use cases: quickly deploy applications, streamline the deployment process while maintaining compliance and security. Provision compliant AWS accounts, easily create and manage AWS accounts that adhere to organizational policies and regulations. Deploy data residency controls, implement and manage data residency requirements across your AWS accounts. Increase agility without compromising security, balance the need for rapid development with robust security controls. Set up and manage a multi-account environment, efficiently create and administer a complex AWS environment with multiple accounts. Govern at scale with pre-configured controls, implement governance and compliance at scale with pre-built guidelines and best practices. Benefits and features: automated landing zone, quick and secure setup of a multi-account environment with pre-configured settings. Controls for governance, implement governance and compliance controls across your AWS environment. Best practice blueprints, leverage AWS best practices for security, compliance, and efficient management. Comprehensive insights, gain visibility into your AWS environment for informed decision-making. Pricing: AWS Control Tower itself incurs no additional charge. However, costs are associated with the AWS services configured during the setup of your landing zone and mandatory controls. These costs are based on the specific services used and their respective pricing models. Limitations: AWS Control Tower supports a limit of 5 service control policies or SCPs per organizational unit, or also known as OU. It accommodates up to 10,000 accounts in your organization's landing zone, distributed among all your OUs. Hands-on practice. We are in the AWS console window now. Go to the Services drop-down menu, and find Management and Governance Services. On the right side of the drop-down menu, find Control Tower, then open the link Control Tower in a new tab. We are now in the AWS Control Tower main page now. All essential information are here, please check if you may. We can set up AWS Control Tower by clicking Set up Landing Zone now, and we are in the creation templates, which has 5 steps. Step 1, review pricing and select regions. Step 2, configure organizational units or OUs. Step 3, configure shared accounts. Step 4, additional configurations. And lastly, review and set up a landing zone. Let's start. Specify region, and let's choose London region as our home region. Please keep the configuration for the succeeding steps and go to main page. And that's all for our short AWS Control Tower user interface review. How it works for AWS Control Tower? IAM Identity Center and AWS Organizations aids AWS Control Tower in empowering administrators to manage access and distribution for account members. Then administrators set up landing zone that automate best principles and enable controls across environments that met your security and compliance requirements. Then it will create, enroll and update accounts in Account Factory. Lastly, it will redirect through AWS Service Catalog to automate account and monitor your landing zone, including OUs, accounts and controls. Leveraging AWS Service Catalog, it automates account provisioning and monitors the landing zone, encompassing OUs, accounts, and controls. Amazon Control Tower offers an efficient way to manage a secure, compliant, and complex AWS environment. With its automated setup, governance controls, and best practice implementations, it empowers organizations to focus on innovation while ensuring compliance and security. Whether you are managing a handful of accounts or thousands, AWS Control Tower simplifies governance and provides the tools needed for efficient cloud management. Leverage Amazon Control Tower to streamline your AWS operations, ensuring a secure, compliant, and well-governed cloud environment.